Let's look at this question 3 or word problems. A father is 3 times as old as the son. 9 years ago, the father was 4 times as old as the son. Find their present age. From this question, we are asked to find their current age. So, let's say solution, current age. And from our rules, we said that the first thing is to select a letter to represent the number required. So, we will represent the son's age with letter S. So let's say, let the son's age be S. So the father's age will be equals to 3 times as that of the son, which is 3S. And if you look at the question, say 9 years ago. So, for example, if you are 10 years old, 9 years ago, what will be your age? It will be 10 minus 9, which will be 1 year. So, from here, we will write 9 years ago the son's age be equals to the current age minus 9. So, while that of the father equals to the current age, which is 3S minus the 9. So from here, this is our second rule. Say that we should change each statement in the question to a statement containing the letter we have chosen, which is the S. So the third rule will link up these two equations. So from the statement, say 9 years ago, the father was 4 times as old as the son. From here, we have the father's age, which is 3S minus 9 is equals to 4 times as old as that of the son. So it will now be 4 times the age of the son 9 years ago. So this is our linear equation. From here, we can find the S. So we have 3S minus 9 is equals to 4 times S, we have 4S, minus 4 times 9, we have 37. From here, we collect line terms, which will be 3S minus, move this to this side, become 4S minus 4S is equals to minus 37. When you move minus 9 to the other side, become plus 9. So from here, 3S minus 4S, we have minus S, which is equals to minus 37 plus 9, we have minus 27. Minus cancel as minus S, now be equals to 27. From here, we can find our current age. So their current age of that of the son will be equals to, since the son age is S, now be equals to S, which is equals to 27. While the father's age is equals to 3S, which is equals to 3 times 27, we have 81 years. This is our answer to this question. Please click on the subscription button to get more questions on word problem. Thank you.